Hi, my name is Brian, and today we're going to talk to you about how to change the color of a person's outfit. Today we're going to use the lady in red. Go ahead and make sure that the layer is selected. Go ahead up here to where it says select, and you want to choose color range. The range we want to color is red. Okay, I clicked it already, so we'll go ahead and click it again. And what we'll do is, you see that it's selected, but there's a lot of gray in it. Go ahead and click the plus button, and we'll go ahead and click in the areas that didn't really show up. And now you see that it's shown up pretty much everywhere. There's a couple of spaces in there that look like they might be. So you just go through and click on them, make sure you've got everything, and try to make sure that she doesn't show up. Okay, because you might hit one of these, it might have a little bit of the color that's in her skin, and she'll show up. You'll see it right around here. She'll show up in white. We want just the dress to show up in white. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click OK, and you'll see that it has selected the dress. Now, what we do now is go over to the adjustment layers, and we go to hue saturation. In hue saturation, it gives us the power to change the color of her dress simply by moving the cursor across the room here, across the section there. Go ahead and give her a, I don't know, is that yellow? That looks yellowish. Make it orange. Okay, give her an orange dress. Now, that's how you can change the color of a person's outfit, by simply making a couple of changes, a couple of selections, and it's done pretty quickly. That way she doesn't have to come back. You don't have to worry about all of that. Now that you've done all of that, you can go ahead and send that off to the people that you need to send it to, or just save it as your own, especially if it's you and you decided that you want to change your color of your dress that you were wearing that day. Anyway, thank you very much, and hope that you enjoyed this. I know it's pretty quick, fast, and in a hurry, but we live in a fast-paced world. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please click like, and also don't forget to subscribe. There'll be more of these to come. Have a great day. Bye-bye.